Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful headband. For this, we are using a headband, two colors of yarn, crochet hook and a cutter. This headband looks so cute and beautiful and it is a beginner friendly project. To do this beautiful headband, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and double crochet. It is very easy to do. We will do single crochet first around the headband. Then we will do 3 double crochet in each stitch around. So you will get a ruffle like structure like this. So now let's see how to do this beautiful headband. Start with a slip knot. Take the headband. Insert it in the slip knot. Pull through. Chain 1. Next we are going to do single crochet around this headband. So insert it like this, yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So you'll be doing single crochet around this headband. It looks like this. You are going to do single crochet around this headband till you reach this end. After doing single crochet around this hairband, it looks like this. So at last do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So for next, take the next color, make a slip knot, insert it in this first single crochet, insert in this slip knot, pull through, do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, do 2 double crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as double crochet. You are going to do one more double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Next stitch, you are going to do 3 double crochet. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this round, doing 3 double crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. Next stitch, 3 double crochet. Likewise, you are going to do 3 double crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. So let's see how it looks after doing them. After doing them, it looks like this. So at last, you can do a chain 1 and snip off this yarn. After doing them, the headband looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.